We have an established business, and we're looking for an affordable solution to create business cards, brochures, and flyers. A friend of mine recommended Excel Media Group. Excel Media Group did a fantastic job, and they worked quickly to deliver very professional-looking branding materials. Excel Media Group was very easy to work with, and they made us feel like we were their only client. Thanks to Excel Media Group, our business is growing faster than we expected. Thank you, Excel Media Group, for helping us brand our business for success.
Hi, I'm a local business owner in the Baltimore area. Now, as a business owner, I had absolutely no time to interact with my social media networks at all. And that's when I actually found Excel Media Group. They not only created impactful messages about my business, but they actually posted them to all my social networks as well. Now I have more time to work on my business. Thanks, Excel Media Group, for giving me my time back.
For a long time, my business suffered because my clients could not find me on the internet. I didn't know what to do. Then I found Excel Media Group. Excel Media Group was able to get my business listed on the first page of Google and YouTube. With the help of Excel Media Group, my business is booming. Thanks, Excel Media Group, for helping my business get on the first page of Google.
Hi, my name is Bob, and I recently started a new business and was unsure of where to begin when it came to marketing. That's when I found Excel Media Group. Max Fortune and the rest of the team at Excel Media Group did a fantastic job on providing my business with logo, print marketing materials, a website, and a social media marketing package that was very affordable. And they did it all in a matter of a few short weeks. Excel Media Group was very professional and very easy to work with. Excel Media Group made marketing my business a lot less stressful. Thanks to Excel Media Group, my revenue has increased by 40%. Thanks, Excel Media Group, for increasing my profits.
You should be working with Excel Media Group.
You should be working with Excel Media Group.
You should be working with Excel Media Group.
Take it from me, you should be working with Excel Media Group.